welcome back to another tutorial in my floral keychain series. Here and welcome back to another tutorial on Bochi-Knot Macrame. For those of you who are new to this channel, I release everything macrame related, of course, from DIY pattern tutorials, tips and tricks videos, helpful best practices, and much more. I also release helpful tips and tutorials on Instagram Reels as well, so if you guys want to give me a follow there, my Instagram is Bochi-Knot. If you guys like tutorials on here and want to learn more macrame with me, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Okay, so I know I promised you guys a few tutorials ago when I did the floral berry knot pattern that I was going to turn that pattern into a keychain. I honestly see a lot of similar keychain patterns out there, so I wanted to challenge myself and create something a little bit more unique so that you guys can make it as well and learn something new from these knotting techniques too. So instead of attaching all the cords you need to use to make this keychain right away to the object you are attaching it onto, so in this case it would be a key ring, we're just starting off with one strand of cord and we're going to add cords along the way. This way we start out the pattern nice and clean and then we work our way downwards. I did, however, change up this pattern slightly. Instead of just ending it at the berry knot, I closed off the sides with another double half hitch knot pattern. So essentially it looks like 4 petals with a berry knot at the bottom. If you guys prefer to just end at the berry knot and just have the 3 petals up at the top, that's totally okay, it's up to you. But if you want to end it like I did with the berry knot in the middle, then you can definitely do that as well. If you guys are new to macrame and you're eager to learn new knotting techniques that you can apply to creating your own macrame designs, we go over that in much more detail on our Bochi-Knot Macrame community on Patreon. There we go over specifics like how you can get inspired and how you can plan out your macrame designs and how much cord you need for your projects, how to sketch out your projects. If you guys are interested, check out the link in the video description below. And with that said, let's get started. For this keychain pattern, you will need 5 strands of 100 centimeter long 3mm cords and 1 swivel lobster clasp or keyring. And here are the materials I will be using for this pattern. I have a gold lobster clasp and then also this 3mm 3-ply cord in sage color. We're going to start by taping the swivel lobster clasp down and then taking 1 strand of 100 centimeter long cord folded in half. We're going to attach it onto the bottom of this lobster clasp with a reverse Lark knot. Then starting off the first petal of this floral berry knot pattern, we're going to take these 2 cords here, take the left cord as the working cord and the right cord as an anchor cord for a diagonal double half hitch knot to the left. Then taking another strand of cord, attach it onto the left cord using a reverse Lark's head plus half hitch knot. So start off with the reverse Lark's head knot first, then take the right end, make a half hitch knot onto the right side, take the left end, make a half hitch knot onto the left side. Then repeat the same thing on the right side. Take the right anchor cord and we're going to take the cord next to it to the left as a working cord for a double half hitch knot to the left side. Then repeat once more with the next cord. Repeat the same thing with the left anchor cord with 2 double half hitch knots to the right. With the middle 2 cords, finish off with 1 more double half hitch knot. Taking another strand of cord, we're going to attach it onto the top left cord with a reverse lark's head plus half hitch. Then using the same anchor cord, we're going to make 2 double half hitch knots to the right. With the middle left cord as an anchor cord, we're now going to make 2 diagonal double half hitch knots over to the left. Repeat the same thing on the right side, mirroring exactly what we had done on the left. Now with the middle 4 cords, we're going to make a berry knot. So taking the outer left and right cords as the working cords, we're going to make 3 consecutive square knots. Then take the middle 2 anchor cords and weave them through the middle above the first square knot. Pull the cords down and then finish off with 1 more square knot underneath. Last but not least, we're going to take the outer anchor cords and finish off this last petal with a V-shaped row of double half hitch knots. Lastly, trim the fringe at the bottom to your desired shape and length. Because we ended it with a V-shaped pattern, that's going to be the shape I cut my fringe in as well. And that concludes our floral berry keychain pattern. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and learned some new knotting techniques on how you can apply almost any pattern into another pattern. So say a pattern that I've used in a wall hanging, like this floral berry pattern, and turned it into a keychain. There may be some patterns just like this one that you may come upon that you may think doesn't look good in a keychain or wouldn't work in a keychain pattern. But there are definitely ways where you can do that, and this is just one example of how. If you guys are a beginner in macrame and you're looking to create something a little bit bigger than a keychain pattern, we do offer a macrame starter kit that goes over a small macrame wall hanging using the 6 basic knots of macrame. Or if you guys just want some premium single strand cord, we do offer a 2-for-1 cord deal for new subscribers only. So if you guys are interested, check out bochinot.com for further details. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought of this keychain pattern, and let me know what you guys think of this floral keychain series so far. If you guys enjoyed it, let me know so that I know to continue making these keychain tutorials for you guys. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.